What's up everybody, StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic, thank you very much for asking. Today, I have a box. And we're gonna see what's in the box. Here he is, from Revzilla. Took a little longer than I wanted to receive, but that's not their fault. I'm cheap, they didn't want to pay for the fast shipping. Time for something new. See what we got in here. Packing slip. And the most important thing, stickers. Stickers. I love stickers. Alright. This is the main thing right here. I needed a new helmet. I got a new helmet. After careful consideration with the money I had, this is what I got. Yes, it is an Icon. I know some people said I shouldn't, but I'm kind of an Icon whore. But here we go. And just on a side note, I hope the rest of my stuff's in this box because I ordered some other stuff too. So let's check it out. What is in this box? Can y'all guess? Right now, pause it, go down in the comments and guess what's in here. $100 voucher for some wine. Anybody like wine? I don't. If you want it, let me know in the comments and I'll give you the code. I don't drink wine. You got the instructions, pamphlets. Everybody needs that. Nobody reads it. Put them back in here. Oh shoot. Hey, they gave me a sticker. How are you gonna sticker with my last one? Needed some new gloves, got some new gloves. Yes, they are Icon. If I remember right, I think these run about 60 bucks. They are the Icon Overlord. I don't know if that's... Can you else read that? Let me try to zoom that in for you. There you go. Overlord gloves. Ah, pretty cool. That's weird. Knuckles. Okay. I'll do our review on these after I wear them a few times. See how I like them, but it's not the main part. Well, this is gonna give away the helmet, so y'all don't look. Now here it is. Let's pull it out. Maybe. Alright. Some trouble. I guess another manual. How to put your helmet on your head. Let's get rid of this box. Icon. Let's see what's inside. I tied like 50 knots in here. I guess I didn't want you to open it. There's my Icon variant. Love that thing. I'm not done with the variant, by the way. I will get another one. I'm just waiting for the new models to come out. See what designs they have. So when they announce those, I will get one. Alright. Here we go. My new helmet. Drum roll, please. Or whatever it is. Bam! The Icon Airflite. Isn't she a beauty? I like that. It's got the clear shield. I'm not a super fan of clear. I want people looking at my face. Pretty nice. So that's not all, guys. I got one more thing. Bam! A new visor. This is the RST Blue. You know, kind of got this blue or white thing going on. So I went with the blue. It's not dark enough. I'm gonna get another color. Well, I'm getting another one eventually. I don't know your color. Let me know what y'all think I should get. So that's what I got, guys. I got the Icon
Airflite.
The Icon Overlord gloves. And the RST Blue visor for my helmet. Isn't she pretty, guys? Go ahead and drop me a comment down there whether you like it, whether you don't like it. If you have one, what do you think about it? And I will get a review of this bad boy soon, after I wear it for a little while. Alright guys, if y'all like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't, hit it anyway. If you guys are new here, go hit the subscribe button right down, somewhere down there. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos are up. Because they're fantastic, goddammit. And for all you guys that have been here forever, I appreciate it. Every one of you little boys and girls and old people and whatever you want to call yourself, I love you guys. Alright guys, as always, peace, love, and unicorn. This has been an unboxing of my new stuff.